hot and cold are not good and bad. Hot and cold are both good. That verse was never a coffee cup verse. Today, step one of our 6 steps. And step one is this. Before it was written to us, it was written to them. Write that down. That is the whole episode in this one sentence. Before it was written to us, it was written to them. Bible was not dropped from heaven with your name on the envelope. It was written in real places to real people who had problems just like us. And here is the thing that surprises people. That does not make it less relevant to you. It makes it more, because you are not guessing. Now you know what God was actually saying to actual people in actual crisis. And that is a solid place to stand. It was not written to me, but it was written for me. Say it with me. Not written to me, written for me. That is not a downgrade. That is the difference between standing on sand and standing on rock. Nobody writes a letter for no reason. Something happened. Find out what happened. But stop. Think about it for 1 second. Jesus said, would that you were either cold or hot. If cold means far from God, is Jesus saying he would rather you be far from him? Is Jesus saying, I wish you were spiritually dead? That doesn't sound like Jesus. So something is wrong with our reading. In the year 60 AD, a massive earthquake destroyed the city. Rome offered to pay for the rebuilding, the way a government sends disaster relief. Laodicea said, no, we don't need it. We'll pay for it ourselves. The Roman historian Tacitus recorded this. That is how wealthy the city was. Hot water heals, cold water refreshes. But Laodicea, by the time the water traveled all those miles through the hot stone pipe, it arrived lukewarm, warm, flat, and full of minerals from the pipe. It was not good for healing. It was not good for drinking. If you took a mouthful, you would spit it out. Now, go back and read the verse. Because you are lukewarm, I will spit you out of my mouth. Church, do you see it? Jesus is not talking about how much faith they have. He is not saying you are 50% committed. Jesus is using their own city water as a picture. Hot and cold are not good and bad. Hot and cold are both good. That is why he says, he wishes they were one or the other. Lukewarm is not in the middle. Lukewarm is no good to anybody. And now, watch what happens in the very next verse, verse 17 and 18. Jesus goes down the list of everything that the city was proud of, and he takes it apart one by one. That is not a coincidence. That is a Savior who knows exactly where they live. God says it. God says it will be 70 years. 70 years. Most of the people reading that letter would die in Babylon. They would never see home again. I looked it up. That is not cheating. That is work. Not everyone on the internet is true. If you search online and one website tells you something exciting, check it against the second source. Good teachers show you where they got it. If someone will not tell you where they got it, be careful. Before it was written to us, it was written to them. And here is the second one, the one I want you to hold on to. It was not written to me, but it was written for me. That is not a smaller Bible. That is not a bigger one. Because a God who spoke into a real crisis in a real city to real frightened people, that is a God who can speak into ours.